Hello beautiful lives, these are some of my plants that I'm going to show you as you watch this video. So I popped in a few different pieces of information about them, but these are the actual pictures from my garden and I'm gonna go through them. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much again for stopping by. Show you, but what I need to do first is turn on the water. So let me take you to see. So this is what it's set up like right now, but I did try to attach my timer, but for some reason it wasn't really working, so I got to figure out what's wrong with it. So I have access to 4 water hoses, but I only attached 3. So this is called a 4-way splitter, and I have a 2-way splitter in the back. But so as a matter of fact, I have to turn this one on too. Need to turn it. Okay, actually, you can hear that going nicely. So I'm going to show you what I did over here, because I like this much better. You can kind of see the water popping up, because what I did was, here, you can see it better right here. This is coming out of my water hose, which I like this way better. This hosta is doing pretty rough this year, looking pretty rough this year, but yeah, so I like how those, let me wipe up the camera. So that's what it looks like with the water hose, which I love. You can actually see the water. Some of it got on the ground, but not much. So even in this flower here, what I did was I ran the hose right on top. I didn't even worry too much about concealing the hose over here, but it is hitting the flowers, and you can see it right in here, because this flower can get a lot of water. Let me see. Did I put a hole in there? Because that one doesn't look. Oh yeah, there it is. I could use another hole. So I think when I get my drill, I'll put another hole in there. And these, this is nice and watered. I like that. You can see that it's getting watered nicely. And I have the excess hose over here, which I'm going to take this off and water the plants over there. Now I did pull all of the dead flowers off of this, and I'll just show you how that goes. Let me see if I see one. Yeah. So when you have this plant here, you just pull off this little dead piece. Whenever they die, you pull them off and new ones will pop up. So I'm going to show you how this looks. It'll bloom out probably by tomorrow. I just pulled the pieces off yesterday. And I leave them right in the soil because they actually add nutrition to the soil. I believe it's nitrogen. So anyway, let me just add some more water here. And you can see it's missing a lot of flowers, or at least I can see that. But I'll show you how. You see all of these spots here, like here, here, here. These are spots where flowers are going to bloom. Every one of these there will be a flower. So you pull off these dead ones, and honestly, I would say at most 2 days the flower will be back. You see, I'm pulling this one, but it's a little tight, so I let it stay. And here's some dead ones in here. That's it. Okay, well, let me hang this hose up and show you the side of the house before it gets too much. Ooh, that felt good. Ooh. Well, I guess if I do this next year, I'll be a little bit better, because I don't really need this water hitting the sidewalk. Okay, so now this is the side of the house, and okay, I even ran the hose up on this hanging basket of impatiens. And you can see that what I have over here is a soaker hose. So this soaker hose is watering the garden. You can see actually a little bit of the water is popping out of there. And I have some impatiens in the ground here. They're getting watered nicely. And see that in there? Everything is getting watered nicely there. And over here is my double splitter. So I don't like how it has to go across this walkway, but I really didn't see another way to do it. So let me see if I buried the hose in here, but it's right there. It's kind of like you don't see it when you first look at this colis, but it's there. This is my statue. I paint her every once in a while. This is my pink Chablis, and let me see if this hose, is it wet? Oh, I know what happened. Over here, I had to turn on the soaker hose. Oh, I actually did not have it on. See, you can see it watering up now. Oh yeah, you can see a little water coming out right there for my soaker hose. And see, now my pink Chablis is getting wet. Now over here, what I did was I just decided to put this right on top of the planter. I should have ran it right through there, but that's my hands off a little. I did take this cap off, but it really was getting these flowers really too wet, too soaked. So, this is it. And this is the other side. You see those flower pots I have upside down? I saw, when I do my walk, I saw a house that had the flower pots like this, and they painted it to look like a lighthouse, and I like that, so that's what I'm going to do. So, yep, that's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to paint those flower pots so they look like a lighthouse. Well, beautiful lives, that's it for now. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the other videos in the description below. Bye-bye.